So there's no way for an external party to come in and give you a solution, recipe, something that you can, no, recipe's the wrong word, but there's no way that somebody can come into your organization and just tell you how to do your stuff. It's the reason that the big consulting companies don't affect any change. It's the reason that the big frameworks for Agile or DevOps don't actually tend to change anything in the organization, apart from cost drain your bank account. That's big consulting companies too. It's the reason that most organizations struggle to incorporate the story that they're trying to work towards a new story, right? And the reason that they struggle is because they're trying to buy it in rather than adapt it. It's like if you wanted to be a gymnast, and are you just going to hire somebody to do the gymnastics for you? But you wanted to be the gymnast. They're the gymnast. You're not the gymnast. So there's a fallacy in consulting that a lot of consulting is just contracting, right? You're hiring somebody in to do the job. You've got a butt on a seat doing that job for you. And if that job inside of your organization is a business critical job, which anything that's around the purpose of your organization, anything that's around how your business does business is critical to your organization, then you're outsourcing part of your organization. And now, why would anybody in your organization learn how to do that thing because there's somebody else doing it who doesn't want to share it because they're a contractor? And if they keep that knowledge, they keep their job. If they share that knowledge, they lose their job. And that, for me, is the big difference between contracting and consulting, right? Although a lot of people sell consulting when actually they're doing contracting. And that's that the purpose of a consultant is to provoke change. That's probably the most interesting way to say it. Is the purpose of a consultant is to provoke change. The consultant shouldn't be doing any of the work within your organization. If you hire a consultant, you're not hiring them as an agile coach. That's a contractor. You're not hiring them as a development lead or a project manager. That's not a consultant. That's a contractor, right? There's somebody in your organization doing the work. What a consultant is an advisor who provokes change. They are somebody from the outside who maybe has additional deep knowledge and skills in that particular topic, who doesn't come in to just tell you how to solve the problem, even if they know how to solve the problem, right? They might give you advice, but they're not going to solve the problem for you. But they help enable you as the person inside the organization or group of people, if it's a team, to understand the theory so that you can make the decisions for the organization, so that you can make the changes in the organization. And because you understand the theory and the principles, you're able to then make the future decisions as well that are better than the previous decisions, if that makes sense. The whole idea of consulting is to help organizations change by provoking the people inside of the organization to do things differently.